It's showing a IP address, which is not my real IP address, and I also do not live in this location, which is Germany. Let's see how you can do this in your Linux machine. Hey everyone, in this video you will learn how hackers actually browse the internet without ever revealing their real identity, such as IP address, location, and other things. Welcome back to Bootsec. Let's dive into this. Alright, I am currently inside my Kali Linux, and there are two tools we'll be using to stay hidden, which ones are ProxyChains and Tor Relay. Let's set them step by step. First of all, let's install Tor. Open your terminal and run this command: sudo apt install Tor. Enter your password and hit enter. Now we are come to step 2: install ProxyChain. By typing this command, sudo apt install ProxyChains. Once again, press Y and hit enter. Now that both tools are installed successfully, it's time to start the Tor service. Now we are in step 3: start and verify the Tor service. To start your Tor service, just type this command: sudo service Tor start. Now it's started the Tor service. To verify if your Tor is running properly, just type this command: sudo service Tor status. If you see active running, then you are good to go. Now we can go to our next step, which is step 4: configure proxy chain. Now we need to configure the proxy chains to route all the traffic through the Tor network. Open the config file with your favorite text editor, Nano, V, Macro, or whatever you want. I'm using Nano. Just type this command: sudo nano /etc /proxychains.conf. Scroll down and find this line, dynamic chains. Remove the hashtag to enable dynamic chains and comment out this line, which is strict chain, by adding a hashtag in front of this strict chain, because dynamic chain skips all the dead proxies and uses only working proxies. Dynamic chain is much more reliable than strict chain. And if you want to use only a static IP with location, then you can keep this static chain on. In my case, I am using dynamic chain. Now scroll down and find out proxy DNS line and comment this line to avoid DNS leaks. What is DNS leak? If DNS is not routed all through the Tor, your ISP or DNS provider can still see which website you are trying to access even if your IP is hidden. This is a privacy disaster, so make sure this step is done. Now here we come with step 5: add Tor as a proxy. Now scroll to the bottom of the config file. You will see this line by default, which is sox4 127.0.0.1 and the port is 9050. Copy this line and paste it over there, and just modify the SOX4 to SOX5 because SOX5 is newer version, more than secure from SOX4. So we are giving processes both options. Now save this config file with Ctrl plus O, hit enter, and just exit by Ctrl plus X. Now this is step 6: how to browse anonymously. Now come with the fun part. Let's launch Firefox using ProxyChain. Type this command: ProxyChains Firefox. I'm using Firefox. If you want to change the browser, you can just replace the Firefox name to your favorite browser. Now go to the dnsleaktest.com. Your IP is different with your location and you are in a whole new country. Just click on the extend test button to make sure your DNS is also not leaking. It may take some quiet time to checking your DNS is not leaking anyway. Here you can see that your IP location and your DNS have all changed. You are now not leaking any DNS because we are just removed the comment from proxy DNS. Now our location is showing in Poland and Netherlands, but I don't actually live here. This is the way you can change your IP location or DNS with ProxyChain whenever you want. Now if you want to a new IP location or DNS, just restart the Tor service like this: sudo service Tor restart, enter your password and hit enter. Now refresh the DNS leak test page, and just like that you have got a new IP and a new location. Our new IP and location is now from Germany. And that's it for today's video. You have just learned how to browse the internet like anonymous and untrackable using ProxyChain and Tor. If you found this video helpful and want more content on anonymity, ethical hacking, or Kali Linux tools, hit that subscribe button and join the BootSec community. Thanks for watching this video, and remember, stay safe, stay anonymous. See you in the next video.